Wait for it. Hold on. Ready.
Took him. Oh, he took your brother at the end.
Oh, your brother took him. His brother took that nigga. Pick my brother, Sano. Oh shit, my brother Hamilton took that bitch.
Yeah, he took him. That's what's up.
Now what I tell you, dog? My brother shit's filled with milk. No one knows that shit, dog. I fucking told that shit, dog. What I tell you guys act like we don't know, nigga. And my brother took off after. Did you guys see that? Yeah. Your brother was on like on like first gear too. Yeah. My brother took off hella after, dog. Just catch up.
My car is rubbing, fool. My car is hot right now.
Keep going, catch up. Loser! Winner! Round 2?
Yeah, your brother took him.
Oh! Yeah, motherfucker! Look, my brother's gunning him. Oh, shit! Damn!
Yeah, he took him, fool.
Let's go home now. And that was gonna be hey, you guys, fuck, that was gonna be a bitch about it, watch. Nigga just lost his car.
That's my car now, huh?
Fuck it.
Give me the engine.
Yeah!
No, bro.
No,
Because
just stay in
then
the
they're
car,
gonna think
nigga.
we're connected. We don't want them. We're
Yeah.
stalking.
Fuck that, we got that shit on video. He lost, nigga. That's
Here, my car cut up to him.
That's fucking slips right there, dog.